That brings us to the second very different aspect, which is business and business videography.
When I help businesses create strategies for their videos, I very much am focused on videos that are going to be profitable for their business, and that's it. That's the extent of my expertise. I will never claim to be a marketer. I want to help them achieve their marketing goals using video, and that is something that I'm very confident in. That's something that I offer. So when I interact with businesses that have not established yet what pain points are they solving for their clients, I definitely ask them those questions. I'm asking them marketing questions. I'm asking them, who is your ideal client? And if they don't know yet, I help them establish that. So we're definitely hitting that point in that area. At the end of the day, my entire goal is to help them reach their audience as far as video. So I use my training that I got in college just to answer and ask the plain and simple questions that they have not yet asked themselves and that no one has yet bothered to ask them. Like, for example, who is your ideal client, and narrow down what the pain points that they're solving for their businesses. From that perspective is all helps me answer the question of how do we make you the best videos possible. So I'm not specifically a marketer. I'm a video producer who wants to use strong marketing ideals and values to bring you to your goals.
Got it.